You're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 002059, State versus Michael Guadalupe Valero. Can I have parties announced?
Right from the start you can feel the courtroom tension. No witnesses, no defense statements. That usually means things are about to move fast, but watch closely. The judge's next few lines will set the entire tone of this hearing.
I'm ready, Your Honor.
And for the defense?
Lorraine Ephraim.
And are you Mr. Valero?
No.
Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you review that with your client?
Yes. And we reviewed the PSI. This
is for a plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
I mean, a sentence.
Sentencing?
Yes.
The paperwork.
I know, it's a little confusing to me.
All right. Thank you. All right. Mr. Valero, you applied for probation.
Yes, sir.
And according to your plea bargaining agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison, and the state is recommending community supervision. Have the parties had a chance to review the mixed screening
Yes.
and the PSI?
Yes.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Any witnesses from either side?
No, no, not from the defense. No. No, Your Honor. Just argument.
All right. So it says that he's approved for MIC, and then they're recommending safe P.
Yes.
Okay.
And we did apply for deferred, and on the safety part of it, we're asking for an opportunity to do it outpatient.
Here's something interesting. The judge mentions a plea bargain with probation recommended. That's actually a big deal. It means the prosecution and defense already agreed on a punishment, but the judge still has the final say. Let's see if he sticks to
And see, he seems and tells me he's very motivated to comply. Kind of tired of this, wants to be with his family.
Mhm.
How long have you been in jail?
You're lying.
So, we're asking for an opportunity to do an outpatient program, intensive outpatient. And I think there was some intensive supervision that might have been recommended.
Mhm. So with regards to the outpatient treatment,
hold up. The defense is pushing for outpatient treatment instead of inpatient rehab. Do you think that's fair given the drug use history? Type yes if you believe people deserve a second chance, or no if you think stricter supervision is needed.
I just don't think that outpatient treatment at this time would be appropriate for him, based upon the nature of the offense and also based upon the interview. Based upon the interview, he said that he had been using meth daily. Up until the date of his arrest, it said he admitted to daily use of both marijuana and methamphetamine up to his arrest date. So you have that combined with mental health. He needs inpatient treatment. So, I mean, that's where we are. And the state and defense have entered a plea where they're recommending probation for you, which means they want you to be successful at it. So, in order for you to be successful at it, there needs to be conditions that will help you be successful. If I were to send you off into the world with no treatment, no mental health, nothing.
And there it is. The judge shuts down outpatient treatment. Why? Because of daily meth and marijuana use. That's a red flag for any probation setup. The court's job here isn't just punishment, it's making sure he doesn't spiral right back.
9 times out of 10, you'll be right back before me. You would have this attorney and another attorney who would be say, Judge, he needs inpatient treatment. So that's what's going to happen. I can do an inpatient treatment with a referral to felony drug court to see if they'll accept him. Probation, do you know if felony drug court would accept him?
You're talking about it, not in lieu of the inpatient or,
Well, what would it end up happening? He's staying in custody until either felony drug court transfer them.
This moment is powerful. The judge isn't being harsh, he's being practical. She's literally saying, I want you to succeed, but success requires structure. It's rare to see this kind of balance between discipline and rehabilitation.
Him to their program, or either he'll be going to safety.
okay.
It's Michael Valero. It's a burglary of a habitation. Okay.
Your Honor, actually, he's okay if those are the options. He's okay with the residential treatment.
All right. All right. Well, the court is going to find you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to 10 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Take in consideration 2025 CR 001712. There's a $2,000 fine. That will be probated. Do you have any children? And what are their ages?
7 and 17.
All right. And do they live with you? Well, I mean, who else lives there? Because they're not by themselves right now. Okay. All right. And there's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution, out-order parenting classes. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Field visits one time per month until further notice. MIC caseload. In custody, the following. A referral to felony drug court. If not accepted, then he's going to remain in custody until he's transferred to safety. There's to be proof of employment within 45 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no contact with
No. He appreciates the opportunity. He's very motivated. He is.
All right, thank you. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. So here's the thing. I know sometimes people are expecting to get out of custody and then they're disappointed that they're not. But all the conditions that are being set
You can feel the relief. The defendant understands the conditions and thanks the judge, but the reminder hits hard. This is a felony conviction, no weapons, no mistakes, and definitely no more chances. It's a fresh start or a final warning.
Are being set so that hopefully you can be successful and you won't have to be back here. You understand?
Yes.
All right. If you have an issue, let probation know about it. If for some reason you feel as though they're not addressing that issue, you can always come back to court.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Counsel, has it almost been an hour for your client? I mean, for your witness, sir?